Whether you're hitting the road for the weekend or looking to spend some extended time city hopping, there is an art to packing your gear. In this video, we'll be sharing 8 tips for one bag travel that'll help you make use of limited space. Hey, I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We're big fans of traveling light and have spent years exploring the globe with all of our belongings in a single backpack. But less space means being smart about the gear you pack and how you pack it. We're here to share what we've learned along the way. This video is sponsored by Huckberry, a company that is all about blending stylish gear with efficient travel. So let's dive in. Although it may seem counterintuitive, we recommend figuring out the gear that you're going to bring along before you decide on a bag. There are so many types to choose from, and you may not know what features will work best until you finalize your packing list. Consider any specialized equipment you need to carry, like camera gear or tech products. Once that's packed, you can see the remaining space you have for things like clothing and toiletries. This makes it easier to decide if you want more or less organization built right into your bag. If the gear you pack isn't the same for each trip, lean on separate products like a camera cube rather than finding a bag with dedicated camera storage. Choose low-profile versions of things so that if they go unused, it's not that big of a deal. We're fans of packable rain jackets because they stay out of the way until you need them, but you'll be happy to have them when a surprise storm hits. Also look for gear that serves a dual purpose, like the Orbit Key Maglock key clip that holds your keys and doubles as a carabiner for internal organization. Once you choose your gear, it'll be easier to decide on luggage. When it's time to select your bag, look for one with a square shape because it is easier to pack. A bag like the Black Diamond Stone Hauler Pro allows you to slot in packing cubes and pouches without fighting against narrow corners. Go for the 30 liter if you want to cut down on gear, or opt for the 45 if you want the option to bring more. Another thing to keep in mind is the bag structure. You'll want something that can hold its shape, whether that's a frame sheet or a thicker shell fabric. A sagging travel backpack will get uncomfortable to carry after too long and can get unwieldy when filled up. Pay attention to the little things too, because the small things can make a huge difference. Some bags have zipper garages, tape seams, and rain covers for added weatherproofing, which keeps your gear safe in rough conditions. We're also fans of bags with brighter liners because it's easier to find the gear inside. If security is a concern, choose a bag with lockable zippers or hidden pockets. You can also buy a separate bag lock, though the best theft deterrent is to be aware of your surroundings. The way you access your bag may not seem like a big deal, however, it can make a big impact on how easy it is to keep your gear organized. We like clamshell openings because we can see the whole main compartment at once, and it helps us set gear in rather than stuffing it. If you have a top-loading backpack, the things at the bottom will be harder to get to in a pinch. But there's more to a bag than the main compartment, and quick access pockets give you easier access to your gear regardless of how the main compartment opens. They're handy for storing small items like a wallet or keys and can come in the form of an outside pocket or side zipper that opens into the main compartment. Even without built-in quick access pockets, there are ways to hack your setup to keep the important items close by. Find a bag with attachment points so you can hook gear to the outside, or hang a carabiner from your bag's handle, or where the shoulder strap connects to the bag. You can even utilize compression straps to reduce the depth of your bag and attach gear like yoga mats, umbrellas, and tripods to the outside, saving you precious interior space. Next, let's talk about this video's sponsor. At Pack Hacker, we've put hundreds of products to the test to optimize your packing and help you travel smarter. That's why we've partnered with Huckberry. They understand that the first step to any adventure is choosing the right gear. With tons of great products from top brands and new drops daily, you can cater to your style and needs. Plus, if you're not sure where to start, their online journal features a ton of great articles that will spark inspiration for your next trip. Whether you're headed to explore the city or taking some time in the great outdoors to unplug, Huckberry's got you covered. Head over to huckberry.com to check out the latest deals and newest gear releases. We'll leave a link down in the description below. And let's get back into some tips. Because you're packing in a single bag, it is important to optimize your weight as much as possible. You can do this in a few different ways, but one of the easiest is to get what you think you need, cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. You'll be surprised at what you can get away with leaving behind. For example, use the shampoo provided by your hotel or accommodations rather than packing your own. If you're traveling somewhere that may not provide toiletries, choose soap that can be used for your hair, face, and body. Products that weigh less and take up less space are ideal. However, we recommend cutting down on the larger items rather than the smaller ones. Those will make the biggest difference. For things that you can't avoid leaving behind, creatively pack your gear together to maximize space. For example, you can store a pair of sunglasses in a clean pair of socks to prevent scratches and damage rather than bringing a case. Regardless of what you bring, properly packing your gear can help you manage the weight for a more comfortable carry on the road. If you're familiar with outdoor backpacking, then you'll know that weight distribution makes a big difference when it comes to carry comfort. Even though you may not be hiking your way through the great outdoors, you'll start to feel 40 liters worth of gear if it's not packed correctly. Keep heavy items in the center of your backpack, ideally between your hip and shoulder blades, and as close to your back as possible. This will increase your balance and even out your center of gravity so that you can carry the weight with less effort. You can also add extra support by putting blocky items like a camera cube at the bottom of your bag. But just note that if it's too heavy, that may not be a good idea. As a bonus, your bag may stand upright on its own with a heavy camera cube at the bottom. The rest of the gear can be distributed based on how your bag opens. Top-loading backpacks require a bit more strategy on placement, while with clamshells, it's easy to get gear at any location. You'll want important things like a wallet, snacks, an extra layer of clothing close by, so you don't need to rifle through all of your gear each time you need something. Though it's tempting to pack your bag completely full, try leaving some extra space. It may seem like a waste, but you'll be thankful you have it when you find a souvenir mug you can't say no to. On top of that, a lighter bag is easier and more comfortable to carry. If you're still tight on space, opt for a packable bag, tote, or sling instead. You'll be able to shift your belongings from the big bag to the small one when necessary, but it won't take up too much space in the meantime. They're also handy to use as day packs as you wander around your destination. But just because you're into optimizing your bag doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice personal style. If you're efficient at condensing less important things, it'll save you space to bring along bulkier clothing or gear. If you're familiar with Packhacker, then you may have picked up that we're big fans of packing cubes and pouches. They add a ton of organization and they can also keep your gear safe. Look for packing cubes that match the size and shape of your bag to help maximize space. Also, consider cubes with compression zippers, as they allow you to easily pack bulkier clothing like the Flint & Tinder Wax Trucker jacket. For more fragile gear, check out something like the Mystery Ranch Zoid Cell, which has foam padded walls for added protection. Pouches are another favorite because they keep tech safe and toiletries separated. There are all kinds of sizes, shapes, and organization types depending on your needs. Look for loops and pockets if you've got a ton of cord action, or opt for a bucket-like kit to keep your hair care products in line. The Topo Designs accessory bags are great if you need to keep a low-profile pouch to contain a small amount of gear. They're flat when empty and take the shape of what's inside, compared to a structured pouch that won't compress if it's not full. This saves you space if you don't have a lot to carry. Since we'll be packing less gear, go for quality over quantity. This will allow you to strike a balance between budget and the best gear. That said, certain items have more of an impact than others if they are damaged while you're traveling. Though annoying, a broken zipper on a packing cube isn't the end of the world because you can still arrange clothing inside your luggage. However, a broken zipper on your bag may have you shopping for a temporary pack replacement on your trip. Tech is also harder to replace on the fly if you're somewhere more remote. When it comes to clothing, choosing quality basics is just as important as choosing your gear. If you stick to versatile clothing and footwear that can be worn in a capsule wardrobe, you'll have more variation with less to pack. The Proof 72-hour merino tee is a great option because it's made with merino wool, which gives you more wear between washes. We also like the Lems waterproof boulder boot because it's both comfortable and stylish, rain or shine. Investing in your gear also means investing the time to take care of it while you're not traveling. Whether that means reapplying wax to refresh weatherproofing or patching a small hole, it'll all bring peace of mind for your next trip. So there you have it, 8 minimalist packing tips to get you started on your one-bag travel journey. Be sure to leave a comment down below with your best one-bag travel tip, because remember, some of the best information comes from you, the Packhacker community, right here on YouTube. Thanks for keeping it here at Packhacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we will see you in the next video.